So excited, I just got a new ILNP nail polish color. This one's called Stopping Traffic, and it kind of is like that red stoplight color with a lot of beautiful rainbow sparkles in there. So let's put it on and see how it looks with a couple coats. Here's one coat. I always recommend doing at least 2 coats with this kind of nail polish, but 1 coat is still very, very pretty. And 2 coats. Look how pretty that is. This is like a candy apple red color. So vibrant and bright. I could really see this being a great color year round, whether it's Valentine's Day, 4th of July, Christmas time, or you just want some really pretty red nails with glitter. It's such a great, great color. I absolutely love ILNP, and not only because the colors are so gorgeous, but because it's long lasting. Out of all the nail polishes I have ever tried, this one has the most resistant to chipping, and I am rough on my hands. So I love this. It's definitely long lasting, keeps that high gloss while you wear it, and the color is so good. And in the sunshine as well, the glitter is even more phenomenal.